In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an exit pop-up on your Wix website. And yeah, it's so easy to set up and can boost your conversion rates and sales and email opt-ins by so much. It would be a bit silly to not at least give it a try for a few days or a month. And so we head down to the Wix app market and type in Keka exit pop-up. And we click the app. Press add to site. Now, of course, your sites will look different. And continue, agree and add. Wait for the pop-up to install. And so for this tutorial, we're going to stick to the free version, which has more limited features, but can still add a lot of value to your website. And this way the tutorial is like short and simple, but just know that there are many more ways to modify the exit pop-up to like influence targeting, A/B testing, etc., etc., for when you see how much the exit pop-up can add value to your website. So first, user max show settings. So when a visitor visits your website, he or she or whatever goes through a session of pages, like lands on the home page, clicks to product page, other product page, which is a session. And so you can choose how many times the app shows exit pop-ups at maximum. And this is relevant because you also don't want to over spam your visitors, because then it would be like less good for your brand and be a bit annoying to visitors. So let's say we do like 2, which means, okay, a visitor can see 2 exit pop-ups each session, which is kind of normal, right? Okay, then we can add our first exit pop-up. Now you can see what features are locked by the plan upgrades. So for example, pop-up type is a coupon pop-up. If you have the light plan, then you can also get an email exit pop-up feature, which collects an email instead of showing a discount coupon code. So yeah, if you need that, consider the light plan. And that's it. Like the pop-up name is basically for your use, like okay, marketing test 1 or so, marketing tests March or whatever. And so basically a name for you to make sure you remember what the exit pop-up is for. Now the status is like right now inactive, which is good because we're still modifying the exit pop-up. Like URL targeting rules means like where do you want to show the exit pop-up, or where do you not want to show the exit pop-up. Now on the free plan, the default is just show the exit pop-up everywhere, which can already be helpful for boosting conversion rates and stuff. So yeah. And so pop-up trigger settings, again, like locked for the standard plan, basically like when does the exit pop-up show, like extra rules on top of the basic like normal exit pop-up rules, if you want, if it can increase conversions. Now the header text and description text and button text, at this point I'm going to pop out the preview, so you can decide size small, medium, full screen, mobile or desktop. So let's do a small mobile preview, and then we can see like what our text looks like in, like our exit pop-up text looks like in a real exit pop-up. So for example, we could change this to O, and then we see the exclamation marks have been like added because it's like text, description text, button text. So you can basically choose like which is the most convincing and aligns with your brand and stuff like that. So yeah, button text continued shopping, like I'm going to leave it at this for now. And then coupon code is like one of the most important things. Basically, the app doesn't make coupon codes right now, which means you have to create a coupon code yourself in Manage Coupons. So for example, we do new coupon, discount, coupon code, coupon. Super cool coupon. Cool coupon. Like this. And then we, for example, say percentage discounts, like 10% discount. Okay, apply to all products, specific products, whatever you want. You can include subscriptions if you want, end date or not, limit to 1 use per customer, and we create a coupon like this. And so now we have to go over here, enter the cool coupon, like text. Discount amount is 10%. So we can see, okay, use cool coupon 10% of your order. And so the background color, you can change it if you want, like this, like this. I kind of like the white or like black, looks good too. Fallback text color is like mostly this text, like the color of this text. And then like overlay background, you could do it more like red or something, but again, I think like black looks pretty good. Then we have animation settings, like how the exit pop-up moves onto the screen. And by the way, you can see like changes get saved while you edit them, so you don't have to worry about pressing save. Animation duration, like how long does it take for the exit pop-up to pop up in the screen. Is in, is out, is in, sliding distance. All kind of like small details, so I'm not going to spend too much time on them. And then now, more important, like the header color, we see that it's like kind of hidden in under the black, so we like kind of make it white or something like this. We can make the header like lighter like this, but I think like bold looks pretty good. We can do the margin, so for example like 20% margin at the top to like make it look better, and probably influences conversion rates also like by a medium amount. Body color is the text, and we also make it white so we can read the text and the visitors can read the text. Button background color, I don't like the blue and the black, so we do like this red, maybe this, like this. Button text color, you could change it, but to me white looks really good. Button hover effect, so if you hover the button, you see it moves a little bit, and you can choose like how much it moves. So yeah, that's something you have to decide too, like how much do you want it. Close button settings, so it's kind of hidden right now due to the color, but we have a close button right here. It's a bit like not super wide because the opacity is on, so make that one, and now it's like super visible. Button size, yeah, we can make it like bigger, I don't know, whatever you want. Like 20 looks kind of good for me, so we do that. Hover opacity, yeah, so you can basically like see, like make it different so the user gets visual feedback about when the close button is hovered. But again, like details. Coupon code font size, so basically like this, the formatting of this, you could make it like this, I don't know. It depends on your branding colors, like what you think converts best, etc, etc. Just know that you can modify this relatively easy. And yeah, let's continue. So we can also change the border style if we want, like solid border, this border, yes, border color, border radius, okay. Now this you can modify the mobile settings, but these are usually, for most people, these will be good. Maybe if you have like an older audience, you could increase the font size. But yeah, like this usually works well. And then we're actually already done. Changes have been saved automatically, except one thing you might remember too. Status was inactive, now we set it on active. Wait for the settings to save. And then we can return to the main overview. Basically, it doesn't really matter because the exit pop-up is now live on the website. So we wait for the website to load. Oh, we're a visitor, we're about to leave. Oh, and we get the exit pop-up, super clean. Wait, don't miss out on the special offer. Use this coupon code, and then the user can just like copy it, and now it's on the clipboard. Continue shopping, and you might have regained like someone. You might have piqued the interest of someone who was about to leave. And yeah, I'm not the one who came up with exit pop-ups. They are used so often for a good reason. They convert, they increase like your order value per 1,000 visitors or email opt-ins, etc. And since the Keka exit pop-up is free to use. I highly recommend just like giving it a try. The setup is super easy, as you saw. It can get you extra sales. It looks clean if you design it well. So why not just like give it a try for a few days, for a month, for a few weeks to see how it influences your sale. And that's it for this video. Make sure to look up Keka exit pop-up in the Wix app market right now and give the app a try. And I hope you enjoyed the video.